So in this video, we're going to go from this to this. Sorry, I couldn't resist that. So anyway, this will be a review of the Oster Expressbake bread maker. I've had a couple of bread makers and they've all worked well. We had one that the inner piece of it rusted out. I don't recall what brand that one was. And then the second one just gave up the ghost, so the motor burned out on that. So purchased this one off of Amazon. And of course there'll be a link down there in the description to it, so you can purchase one if you like what you see. There we are with a user guide. Shows all the components in there. Guessing some recipes. Yep, and lots of recipes as well. Let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Comes with its own measuring cup. Paddle wheel for it. Guess that's to lift it out with. Okay, so now we're going to test it out and try to make a little bit of bread. So first, pull this out. So I'm just going to be doing the standard white bread here, 2 pound. So measure and add liquid ingredients to the bread pan. So first will be 1.5 cup of hot water. So put the paddle in. And basically put all the wet ingredients in first. So there's my water. 3 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next is the dry ingredients. Alright, so next I got 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. 1.5. Then the bread flour. And then 2 tablespoons of fast rising yeast. Build a little well there for it. 1, 2. Okay, so next we put the pan in. Okay, put that in, close it. Okay, so now I'm going to hit the menu button, and it says to use Expressbake for this. So Expressbake for 2 pound loaf is number 6. Okay. And press start. See the timer starting to do its thing. Okay, so it appears to be finished. Just beeped. Got a flashy light right here. And that was in about an hour's time. Ooh, and it's toasty. That's some good bread. Gotta say I like the bread machine. If I can make bread out of it, guarantee you can, because well, I've never done that before. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, don't forget to pull the paddle out, which is gonna be hot.